Okay, so my name's Adam and I'm going to show you how to install some RAM on a MacBook Pro mid-June 2009. The first thing to do, which I've sort of cheated a bit, is to take all the screws out. So there's these little guys, obviously in the little hole there. What I've done is actually purchase a magnetic screwdriver, a tiny little one. This is actually £4 down the local hardware store. And once you've done it, make sure you place them in their respective positions so you know which holes they've got to go back in, as you can see there. Okay, so that's the easy part. Actually, it's all pretty easy, so we'll go there. As you can see, Essendon Footy Club member. Got to upgrade my membership for this year in 2011. But once the screws are out, simply lift from there, pull it out, easy. Put that to the side. Mine's a bit dusty, so I've given it a quick clean, but don't use any cloths or anything, just use your fingers if you're going to do it, because a big problem you've got to avoid is the static electricity that can be generated, and if you get any static inside your computer, things can go fairly pear-shaped. So just make sure you're not a static person, and if you are, maybe avoid doing it, but usually if you have a shower or something and just put on some non-fleecy clothes, you should be fairly right. Alright, so put that to the side. I've purchased my upgrade to 2 4GBs of RAM from Crucial.com, who was fantastic pricing. I think it was less than £40 for a total of 8 gig of RAM. I've currently got in here 4 gig of RAM. So just easily unclip. I'll just show that again actually. There's 2 little clips on either side. Now clip them both at the same time and it just pops up really easy. Slide her out, put it to the side, and then as you can see there's another one underneath there, so all you need to do, pop it off either side, and then it'll come across the barrier for the top clips as well, so you just need to get it above that. Out. Really simple. So next thing I'll do is put this part in. Generally I don't know if they do this on a basis, but I've noticed that the stickers are on the bottom, but you can see because the small fragment as opposed to the large one with the gap is to the left, the small part. So simply realign it, put it down the bottom, bang, put it in, double clip it down like so, and then the top one again. This one can be a bit trickier, so give it a good push, focus, a good push, in it goes, so you can't see any of the gold teeth. Click it down and it's in. Now that was fairly straightforward. I've given mine a quick dust, being as anal as I am, but just don't mess with all those little bits because I don't really know what's going on there either. Put the top back on, get the screws in, and I won't take you through the full screwing in process, but as you can see, it is a fairly simple procedure. So once they're screwed back in, then you can plug it in, turn it on. Thanks very much, and visit Saltwater Online Marketing if you get a chance. We don't do computer repairs, but I thought being a useful bit of equipment might be a useful video that we can pop up on our site. So any queries, online at salt-water.me, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Have a good day. Thought I'd come back just to show you my final 2 screws, just so I can prove that it's not a myth and all the screws do go in. I'm sure you already know that. They actually don't go in heavily tight, so don't worry if you can't get full lock on them. That was one thing that surprised me. So the final guy goes in. Very exciting times for me now, because I can flip the MacBook over, open it up, turn it on. Oh, it's open already. That's not actually, but yeah, so they're the, where are we? Crucial the 4 GB RAM. That's product code for a mid 2009 June MacBook, but you can see how easy it is. That's less than, I think, 5 minutes. So yeah, enjoy how fast your computer go.